Good afternoon. As a part of the project activity of the machine learning using Python course of the Skyfi Labs, so I am making this video in order to upload it in the YouTube. So I have used an application of K-nearest neighbor to do, and I have used the iris dataset to go ahead with the work. So first I have loaded the iris dataset. Next we can also get the description of the data entries. So next we are printing the iris data type. So we can also set the target as 0, 1 and 2. So this is 0 is for the initially for training and for the testing. So we can gives the result. This 15 will result the first printer first 15 values. Next we are going to store the data and labels into X and Y. So X is for iris data items and Y. So this is the actual thing from which we are going to work. So I have used the iris data set directly from the net by using this import file as a sklearn.s dataset and import load iris. Likewise, we can also download the CSV file and then give a path and so on, vice versa. But this is more convenient. So this is to display the first 15 items, and this is the X and Y axis for the iris dataset and Y is for the target. So we are using these two variables in order to store the data into the labels X and Y. So next we are loading the model selection from the, and then we are importing the train test split. This split process goes on into the training and testing, where is the ratio between 70 and 30. So we are having 4 variables for that: X train, Y train, X test, Y test and Y test what. So we are splitting the items as X, Y, text set, where it is probability of 30%, next random state of 42. In order to check the size of this train and test test, we are using the two variables called as X train shape and test shape. The shape will give the total count of those items. So we are having the 100 items in the training and we are having the 50 for the test. So this is a sample scenario where you can have the first 5 entries. So we are importing the K-nearest neighbor classifier from the sklearn dataset, from the sklearn import library function. Next we have used a neighbor function, neighbor variable NEIGH in order to call the classified function with a value of 3. Similarly, we can also have the 2 and all, but preferably it is a odd value, is good enough. Next we are fitting the model. Next we are predicting it. Next we are scoring is the X test and Y test. So this function, this classifier is a very good enough in order to do this kind of a machine learning process, or not to train the particular data entries of having a minimum thing. And iris dataset is a wonderful thing in order to understand the dataset description, the underlying labels and behind it and thing. So likewise, thank you for the Skyfi and all for giving this opportunity.